Now for small angle, right, just take note that the reason why when x goes to 0, when it's small, okay, the rationale is very simple. So let's say you put like x equals to 0.01, so x squared will just be 0.001. So it's very small, right? So it becomes very small. So you don't really need to memorize a lot of things. You just look at your MF26. So I think if because in the syllabus, okay, so you can take to whatever degree you want. The of course the more accurate it is, you take the larger one, right? X cube. Uh or you can just take until x. I think a lot of you take until x, right? I'll just take until x cube. It doesn't matter, but you can just take until whichever you want. But I think taking x is okay. But just understand that you can also take until x cube. Okay? So I'm going to take until x cube because that will give me a more accurate answer. So but you always check your answer. So for small angle, you can just take until x cube. But if not, you can take until x also. It's fine. So sine x, x minus x cube over 3 factorial. Then cosine x is 1 minus x squared over 2. This is called an approximation for a reason. So I think if you don't take x cube, it's also fine. But I feel more comfortable taking to x cube. Okay. So I'm just going to put this in. Now take note, you can use your calculator and check your answer. This will be x. Then you just have x minus x cube over 3. Here I think I need x cube. 1 point. Okay. Then what we get is x squared minus x4 over 6 plus 1 minus x squared over 2.5. Then that will be x4 over 6 minus x squared over 2 minus 0.015. Okay, you can just key in calculator. You should get the answer. So x is you say positive root alpha close to 0. So you take the one closest to 0. You can plot the graph if you want to. Or you can just use the polynomial thing. Put this as 1 over 6. Then this is x to the power 4 minus x squared over 2 minus 0.015. Okay, you just graph it. Zoom. Yeah, plus, sorry. Plus. I'll bring it over, so this should be plus. So graph it. Then you get this angle here. This is the alpha. Okay, so if you zoom standard, be careful because you may think it's this root here, but it's actually there's one more root inside here. So just zoom box to that region there. Yeah. So this is it. Come here. So calculate 0. Found 0.17. So this is definitely more accurate if you use to x. Okay. So from GC, alpha is equals to 0.17408. That will be 0.174 PSF. 0.3 SF. Okay. So don't forget to check your answer using calculator. Same thing. Just key in calculator this exact equation to check. Okay, so you don't just leave your answer hanging there. So you find the exact value by putting the exact equation in plus cosine x do this as 1.015, then you just find the intercept. 1 pointer. Here. Here you find the intercept here, yeah. Here is this intersect. Yeah, this is the exact value, 0.17386. Okay, so it's 0.174.